Well, hi everybody. Gosh, can you see me? Let me put my glasses on, see if I can see you. Oh, there you are. Hi. Hey, today you will go on a virtual field trip. And I can see you've already downloaded here where you need to click on the directions for me from Empower. That's awesome. And now you're watching me tell you what to do. Here is the website that you will go to watch your virtual field trip. So when you click on this website, ooh, yes, okay. So when you click on the website, it takes you to this really cool place. Okay, so there's a bunch of videos in here about different national parks. Okay, so we're gonna play through here, and you can see here it's the hidden worlds of the national parks. Okay, so click on Start Exploring. Okay, and then this guy will come up every time. Okay, if you want to skip the intro, just click over on the right hand side to skip the intro. Today, I would like for you to watch Carlsbad Caverns. When you go to Carlsbad Caverns, make sure you have your notes ready so you can take some notes. And then after that, you can watch Hawaii Volcanoes, Kenai Fords, Bryce Canyon, or Dry Tortuga in any order that you want. So let's click on Carlsbad Caverns to see what happens. Okay. And each one of them will start like this. It tells you where, New Mexico, United States, in the Guadalupe Mountains. Make sure you're listening. And if ever it gets too confusing, you can just click on the screen and pause. You can have a couple of different screens open where you're Googling some things about Carlsbad Caverns so you can make your book really cool. Oh, I'll talk about the book later. But for today, your job is to watch Carlsbad Caverns and then fill out that chart, that 3-column chart in action step 2, and then click when you're finished. And I will look at your notes. Thanks. Hey, I miss you guys. Bye. Have fun.